And thanks to my daughter Lizzie for filming, and we'll see her on the blooper reel. Welcome back to Track and Travel with Rick. Today's episode, we're taking our motorhome on its maiden voyage. We're towing the 73 Duster to the track where Ricky with Dre Racing will be racing it for the first time this year. Show you how maneuverable the motorhome is. We got a pretty tight driveway and it's pretty hilly, so we'll show you getting it in and out for the first time. So that was first for us. And towed pretty good on the way out, and on the way back we fought a 25-mile-an-hour sustained crosswind and 40-mile-an-hour gusts. And it was quite the throw. So on the ride home, we lost our advanced track because I was sawing at the wheel so hard. So we lost traction control, advanced track, hill assist, all the warning lights came on, and the cruise control stopped working. It all works fine today. We took it out for a quick ride and seemed to clear itself out. So let's get to our adventure. Welcome back to Track and Travel with Rick. First pull with the motorhome. Everything's going pretty smooth. What do you think, Ricky?
Yeah, it's a real smooth ride, pulling easy.
Yeah, mileage ain't too bad. We'll know more when we get home and see how the round trip turns out. But yeah, so far so good. Temperatures look good. Everything's good.
What are you averaging for mileage?
Over 8.5 right now. Not too bad.
That's not terrible.
No, temperature about 186 degrees. Run smooth. All right. Ricky, and we're having a really good day. This tri-state, very nice track, very nice track. I like the layout here, and we might show you around a little bit, but Rick towed great. The car performed well. Had a little scare early with the oil leak in the
oil filter adapter.
Yeah, the oil filter adapter.
We thought it was still
the oil pan, but no. So we got that fixed up. We made 4 passes. Had a good day.
It was pretty, not consistent, but it was consistent enough for a new.
Yeah. So we thought of a million things we wish we would have brought, so we're going to obviously make a better list. Pack them up good. But we'll show you around a little bit. Yeah, what a nice day. So Tri-State Raceway. It's a beautiful track. They're prepping it, getting it cleaned up. Nice stands. It's a real good vantage point to film. Yeah, Ricky's cinching down the car, ready for the track home.
You having a good time over there?
We're having a white knuckle ride. I don't know what the wind speed is, but we can't get this thing over 40, 45, and it's a dead crosswind.
Yeah, I don't know if you can see his wheel. He's got it cranked to the right.
Yeah, look at that. That's crazy. I'm not going to go any faster. It ain't worth it.
Only probably like 10 or 15 more miles like this.
Yeah. So always best to slow down. Wow, look at the wheel. Just.
Yeah.
Then you pass something and then, yeah, look at that. Here we go again.
Wish us luck. Alright, just coming back from a very breezy ride home, and got the driveway with the trailer hooked on for the very first time. made it back.
Yo, what up? It's Rick with trac. You like the car? I don't know if I'm allowed to touch it.
We're towing the 73 Duster to the track where Ricky with Dre. First time this year with our 73 Duster. Taking the 73 Duster to the track for the first time this year.